Bro, you ever been like in a zoo? I was not gonna lie, I was worried about tigers last night.
Yeah.
There's definitely it's not a non-zero chance, is it? Good morning from the jungle. Got baboons circling us. It's like 8:30. We're just about to have breakfast here. Slept kind of good. It's loud. It was raining really heavy. River flowing, like insects everywhere. Bit paranoid there might be a tiger or something. There are tigers here, but they're really rare. Yeah. Oh, big spiders. Massive spiders in our shed tent thing. I'll try and like put them in the video, but I filmed it on my phone, so it might not look that great. Oh,
Big?
oh! He just caught something. Yeah.
The spider is friendly.
Are you sure?
You scary?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my bed right there. Okay, coffee. Thank you. Terima kasih. Yeah, and then we've got another full day of trekking. My body's aching a little bit, but I'll be alright, I think. Just need to drink as much water as I can here so to conserve the water for the journey. Because I was really worried about running out of water. I was sweating so much, like must have sweat like 4 litres easy yesterday. And yeah, see what happens. But yeah, we're gonna have some breakfast. I hope there's eggs and it's not just toast or something. If it's eggs, I'm happy. And then yeah, we'll get on our way. I don't know if you can see all these all like bees. They're not aggressive at all. I think they want my coffee. Okay, we've got our breakfast. Looks like we've got a egg and cheese, no salad, egg, oh like omelette looking thing. That'll sort me out today. Josh is happy as well. Get that energy before we go. Gonna smash this out and then probably get going. Okay, we're at the top. Got some phone signal. Messed around a bit. Having a cigarette. And yeah, just planning the little route. Taking a picture of me. The bag's heavy. The bag's feeling heavy. Lots of water. Don't know if we'll see any more orangutans than that. I'm not sure. Saw some gibbons a minute ago, but yeah, you can't see it on the GoPro. When they're like semi-wild, when they're coming to the camp to get food, you can see them easy, but the wild ones are just darting through the trees. Yeah. All the way up. Now I've got to climb all over. No, I get termites on my balls. I've pissed them all off now, sorry mate. I went with a different fit today. I've got light shorts on, wet shoes, and a bit of a light top. And commando as well, because that was collecting some moisture from the river and me. Ooh. We're up on the top of the mountain now. It's nice and easy like this, no problem for now. Weather's good. It keeps raining in the evening, so mornings are good for walking. It's hot and humid, but comfortable still a little bit. Looks fun. Ooh. It's a bit hard with a bag on my back. I'm gonna go down.
Abang.
Okay, we just stopped for some fruit. And what mountain is that? Berestagi.
Yeah.
Berestagi. You can't really see it on the GoPro, but right yonder, there's mountains. Then it's nice and flat, and then you've got the active volcano. Yeah, they're just prepping up some fruit. Been going for not too long, really, an hour. Keeping energy levels up. Yeah, nice little spot. Okay, we're on our way again to the next place. Seeing if we can find any more animals on the way.
Ini aku bilang simpang tadi. Iya, Pak, dari sini kita. Iya, balik apa ke atas. Iya. Cuman dekat ya nih. Dekat ya nih. Udah, bawa duluan aja. Pelan-pelan nih. Sometime from here, we see the black gibbon.
Black gibbon, yeah. Okay. Cobweb there, Josh. Huh? Hornbill, yeah? It's a cobweb here. No, like here. Like I'm holding it. Cobweb. So you don't walk into it. Yeah.
Simpangnya nanti di mana ya? Mau ke sana. Panana atas. Kita harus pulang itu. Ya. Untuk mana kita? Iyalah, mana di jalan kan ada.
Yeah, yeah.
Turtle.
Have what?
Turtle.
Purple?
Turtle.
Oh, turtle, yeah, yeah. Up here, yeah.
Wild orang hutan. Liar apa bang?
Just come up the side of another mountain. Now it's flat for a little bit. Where? Oh. What's this? A jelly? Frog? Frog or?
No, it's come from the tree.
Oh. Oh, it smells nice.
Smell nice?
Yeah, it smells good. It smells like perfume.
Perfume?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe it's just me. Smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not perfume.
But yeah, it's definitely not perfume, but it smells like it.
Yeah, and it smells like a
Durian, yeah. Oh, that was a bit high. Oh, nice view.
It's very soft.
Yeah. It's dry up here, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's like carpet.
Like a carpet?
Yeah. Right, so this is a viewpoint. Oh, it's nice and dry up here. It doesn't feel so humid. I mean, it's still hot, but yeah.
Yeah.
That's where we've been, yeah? So over that one, and then over that one, up, down, up, down. Whew. That's not bad. That's quite quick. Well, just today we done that. Nice. I mean, it feels like it, but it's quick. What time is it now? 12:30. So 2.5 hours.
Very quick.
Yeah. Good. Georgia the jungle, mate.
Better
Yeah.
than it in an hour.
Yeah, definitely. Oh. What are we doing here? Just
Lunch.
Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah, good, good. Really? I can.
Not hungry?
Yeah, I
No,
am.
not yet.
I am.
I might need the toilet in a minute. Toilet?
You need the river.
River?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. That's fine, I can wait. Yeah. But if I eat. Everywhere. Maybe.
In the bush.
Toilet?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I'll see.
Good work. Made that good. Nice dinner with a view, or lunch with a view. Just smash this out. Nice egg in there. Nasi goreng, yeah, I like the egg. Egg is good. Okay.
I can walk down it, it's a staircase.
Yeah.
Escalators to him. What's the swimming pool there? Yeah. Yeah.
Straight in, yeah. Oh, okay, I see, yeah. Oh, nice.
Ada nanti dia mandi situ yang bisa kan? Mana? Situ.
We can see the camp.
Yeah.
It's wet. What is? Ah. Go for a swim.
Swimming in the nature.
Yeah.
Dia udah mau berak ni.
What? Yeah. Huh? Pumped water, yeah.
You wanna jump in? Huh? Jump? No. Later. Later.
Okay. Camp's another 20 minutes that way apparently. And it's on a bigger river. This is a small river. Nice spot though. Nice and clear. I'm sweating again, head to toe. Oh, leech. Yeah, big one. Ooh. Oh, typical. Ah, flat ground. Yeah, it is the first open space. Does smell like piss. Just stagnant water in that, isn't it, probably? Okay, we've got the big river, big river. Got the drone following me. Got full on high tech. We made it now. It's called the drone, proper keeping up through the trees and that. For now, if it hits something, it hits something. It is what it is. Here? Hello. Very good, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, nice river. Okay, this is the camp. Yes. Yeah, Coca-Cola. He went to town earlier from the last camp to get more supplies to meet us here, and we pre-ordered a Coca-Cola. The white people, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, white people, that's how they're getting back on the river. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow. Nice, good little spot. I'm looking forward to going for a swim. Nice. Hello. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get my shoes off. That's exactly the first thing I'm going to do. That's butterfly there. All good, yeah, well done, we're here.
Yeah.
Okay, shoes changed, I'm happy about that. That's wet. Apparently there's an orangutan down here. Down here, man.
Good. John. Bang, dito ang mga sabi.
Yeah?
Yeah, still there.
Oh yeah, I see.
How many you see?
Two.
They're sleeping now.
Oh, he's sleeping, yeah.
Yes, baby and
Oh yeah, it's a bit bigger than yesterday, yeah?
no, this is not same.
Same one from yesterday, yeah?
No,
Different one, yeah.
different.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see the baby's making a nest.
Yeah.
Can you get closer or
Tomorrow
not?
you remember the name? Wati.
Wati?
Yeah. This is pesek.
Ah, okay, yeah. You can get closer or not?
Close. The baby in the nest.
Yeah, I see the baby in the nest.
And this one the monkey.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. See that there? And the baby's over there making a nest. Cool. Well, oh look, there's another monkey there. There's loads of little monkeys here actually. It's because of the camp. I'm guessing they're like getting scraps of food and whatnot. Go on, Josh, get in there. Right, I'm gonna go get in the river. What? It's definitely a male, yeah. Yeah, they'll tear your head off.
Big, yeah?
Yeah, are they dangerous, huh? Yeah. Someone ever get attacked here or not? Sometimes? Yeah. Here. It's freezing. Really cold. It's a good thing. That is cold. That is cold. Let's get deeper. I've got my bar of soap with me. Oops, it's all falling apart. Put that in my pocket. My soap's falling apart. It's not very deep there. You getting in? I just washed my clothes at the same time. I absolutely stink. Like, I haven't had a... Let's get my soap. Easily accessible. Ah, it's gonna feel good. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's freezing. Going from like 100 degrees to bloody 0 degrees.
It's not a glacier much up, is it?
Nah.
Feels like it.
Yeah. Good view. I'm going to... What? You just take mine? Oh. Gonna have a little walk where it's not deep. Gets a bit deeper there. Some rapids. This is how we're getting back tomorrow on those tubes. Yeah, a lot deeper here. Okay, got a dinner. It's like 7 o'clock or something. Get a proper tuck into this. We've got some, I don't know what that is. Got some pumpkin, some other stuff. Tempeh, potato, tempeh. Same again, more tempeh. There's definitely more coming as well. Carrot or something?
Carrot or sweet potato.
Sweet potato, yeah. Coriander. I know parsley, you know. Let me try that.
Huh?
It's parsley. Looks nice. Yeah, so we go in the morning. We're going back to town on the boat or the raft about 10 a.m. or something after breakfast. I actually managed to get some phone signal somehow, and I'm really happy we got a bench. Yeah, instead of just laying down. It's hard to eat sitting down. What?
This one is pumpkin curry. Yeah. This one is sweet potato. Also chili, but it's not expensive. This one is potato cake. Yeah. Tempeh and carrots and tomato. This one is tempeh. Yeah. It's a small tempeh.
Yeah.
But it's different.
Different type, yeah.
Yeah, small chicken.
Oh,
this one
okay.
is small tempeh, pumpkin. Okay. This one is some vegetable with egg and young prawns.
Nice. Oh, and rice.
And rice.
With rice and napkin.
Cool. Good job.
It's very good.
Alright. Gonna eat. Call it a day.